All right, team. Welcome to week 2. Last week we learned why cravings happen. GLP wasn't loud enough, ghrelin was screaming, and your fullness signals weren't showing up on time. This week we start fixing that through how you build and eat your meals. And the first step is something called protein first sequencing, but it boils down to your first several bites being protein. Here's the deeper science. Stick with me, there are hard words to pronounce in here. But when protein hits the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, it stimulates L cells, which release not only GLP-1, but an array of appetite suppressants like PYY, peptide YY, and here it is, oxyntomodulin. So lots of different suppressants there. Side note, this is where there are always ads on your Instagram for the latest and greatest peptide for fat loss. Our body isn't just getting better at creating GLP-1, it's getting better at creating the entire entourage effect, which is super cool. So these hormones delay gastric emptying, so your stomach just releases food slower, and tells the hypothalamus, there's another one, we're satisfied, stop eating. If you've ever done a weight loss challenge with us before, you'll also recognize this pattern, but protein first also triggers glucagon receptors, which previously we have taught as the hormone that says use all this food, not store it. This kickstarts your insulin and stabilizes blood sugar. So that prevents that rebound hunger. So this first bite effect decreases glucose rise of the entire meal by 30 to 70%. Because, another science thing, protein increases incretin hormones. These incretins tell the pancreas to release insulin more efficiently, meaning, again, carbs hit your bloodstream slower. So, again, lots of little deep science things to pretty much just say, you don't have as big of a blood sugar spike, reducing those cravings for the next 2 to 3 hours, versus if you had that protein last, bigger spike, don't want to have those carbs first. So this is why, all of that to say, week 1's protein at every meal. Now you're leveling it up and adding to take your first at least 4 bites of your meal from your protein source. So super simple way to control that hunger hormones, and hopefully it works just as fast as last week did. Talk to you guys soon.